Hello, everyone, and good afternoon. This is Wolfie Lloyds, and today we're going to walk you through the Sudi Tutors video classroom so that you can experiment, you can familiarize yourself with the different functionalities, features, buttons, and also different ways of interaction. Please note, at the moment, and also at a glance, I'm using a tutor profile whose name is called Sarah Smith. Now, as you can see, there's a reminder about the 15-minute trial class that you can utilize for this demo, or perhaps in general, so that once the 15 minutes are going to elapse, you won't be able to utilize it. However, do not worry and do not fret, because we are now trying to record this session, so you can always refresh your memory. On that note, what we're going to do next is that we are going to select the Join Class button. So let's buckle up and let's rock and roll. So we can see right now from the system is trying to prompt us to enable, allow, or disable, block the microphone. Let's select allow. The next step would be to allow the camera. In this case, since we're trying to record a session, I'm going to deliberately select the block option. However, if you decide or if you change your mind, do not worry, because if you hover over and you select this icon at the bottom, you can always switch on or switch off your microphone, your camera, and also if you have different devices linked with your laptop, for instance, different microphones for better and more crispier quality, or speakers, you can select the three dots known as settings, and then you can select from a drop down of different options for the microphone and also for the speakers. Don't worry for the blue lines, that's a good indication that your microphone or your audio is working from your laptop or tablet or any other device you're using. And speakers, of course, on your own laptop or different device, you will have a different list of audio and video equipment. Now let's select the X icon and let's close it. Now, by default, the system has managed to pick up the tutor's full name, Sarah Smith. Nevertheless, if you'd like to keep it nice and simple, or you'd like to make any amendments, you can keep it Sarah. And then let's select the Join button. Okie dokie. Let's see what we can see at the moment. So on the top left corner of the screen, we can see the logo. We can see over here, we can see the counter, which showcases exactly how much time we have already spent in the video. On the top right corner of the other side of the screen, we can see our names. This is the initial of our profile. From the bottom, we can see different buttons. Let's experiment. Let's check what do they all do. I think this has already briefly been mentioned. This is the microphone, which you can always switch on, switch off, or you can always see as well an indication of the microphone. Okay, you can always switch on, switch off the video, obviously. Now over here, which looks more like a mount screen icon, you can share your screen. So you can select the tab, the window, or the entire screen that you would like to share. Please note, at the moment, I am using a Google Chrome browser, and as a result, the interface might be slightly different in comparison to Mozilla Firefox, Opera, Safari, Internet Explorer, Microsoft Edge, and whatnot. So let's select the cancel. Again, this is quite important. As a tutor, or if you have a tutor account, you will be able to utilize the whiteboard feature. If you have a student or a parent account, this option will not be visible. So by selecting at the moment the whiteboard option, we can actually now just check over here the elements. So we can select the pointer, we can select the hands, we can utilize a beautiful creativity, change the thickness, the color to the different ones. So we can just go around. We can select as well the font, different colors as well. We can utilize. I'm just going to say hey. Of course, I'm still going to utilize my creativity, so I can just check it. If you like to select and delete something specific, you can always select the eraser. So by clicking on the eraser icon and then selecting the specific element you like to delete, it completely deletes it. If you'd like to delete everything at once, you simply select the delete icon over here, which as you can see right now, it just managed to wipe out everything. If you'd like to start experimenting and you like to make a note, or you like to start sharing anything, or perhaps you'd like to take a screenshot of the whiteboard, you simply select this camera icon and this takes a screenshot. There you go. Don't worry. At the moment, I'm using a MacBook, and hence this is the video. Or this is the menu that pops up. And of course, if you like to make the whiteboard a bit bigger, you can always select this component over here. If you like to stop presenting the whiteboard, you either select the stop presenting option over here, or simply select the icon towards the bottom. Again, the three dot icons is the settings option, where you can utilize the audio and video and select different microphones or different speakers. Now, towards the bottom, you can see, I would say, some people's icon. You can see a counter of number 1. This is expected because there's only one person, and you can just see yourself. Nevertheless, if you are in a session with, I would say, your tutor, it could be 2. For example, yourself and also your tutor or your student, respectively. So this is the counter. If you like to text someone in real time as a tutor, you simply select the message icon on the bottom. You just select, hey, hello, or how are you? I am feeling, in fact, great. And this is texting someone in real time. If you like this tab to disappear or collapse, simply select the cross sign, or you could just select as well the icon on the bottom of the bubble. And last but not least, if you select the red button on the bottom, this will hang up, or this will terminate the whole session. Okay, folks, I think that should be it. Thank you for your time. Have an amazing day. Thank you.